the takeaways from this engagement?
Well, interesting. One of the greatest things I've taken away from here is the sophistication of the simplicity of Mr. President, his abode, his residence, his compound, the greenery, but most importantly, the fact that he has kept with his traditional simplicity. His integrity exudes as you go through his house. And you'll say, this is the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I'm quite amazed at his level of simplicity. And I think it's a great lesson for all of us who aspire to be leaders, to actually emulate the President's absolute simplicity. I think I'm really, really amazed. And this is a house, this is a compound he has kept for more than 30 years. Nothing has been added. That tells you truly that he's a man who is really practicing the integrity that we know him for. And above all, understanding the President's commitment, also willingness to actually come to Cross River State. He's given me a commitment September. He's going to be in Cross River State to commission the first vitaminized rice plant and the first cocoa processing from cocoa bean to chocolate bar. One in Ogoja and the other one in Ikom. I think it's great, and I'm happy to be in the APC family, and I'm indeed happy to be in Daura in Katsina State.
So how has it been since joining the APC?
Quite enthusiastic, very, very, very warm. I feel a good sense of fellow progressiveness among my colleagues. I see sincerity, I see true brotherhood. I see oneness in Nigeria. I see a great hope for this country. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
This is my first time of being here, and I'm so excited to be here. The serene of Katsina State and Daura in particular. I'm so excited, and I always feel happy when I see Mr. President, who is a very fair man and who has so much passion for the interest of the nation, notwithstanding mischief makers who darken counsel without knowledge. So I feel very happy to see him, very healthy and in very high spirits, and very committed to the nation building.
How have you been coping since joining the APC?
Well, at the beginning it was very turbulent, mischief makers everywhere, but I'm very happy that the truth has overtaken falsehood, and Ebonyi State remains the strongest base of APC in Southeast.
Thank you.
Thank you.